What's up, fam? We back with another video. It's currently February 1st. Recently, I've been going through the internet and I've always liked investing and showing you guys the result. So I recently saw a video of this guy. He invested $5 every day to a Roth IRA. And I was thinking, how about I make it more affordable for the everyday person? So living in NYC is not the cheapest place to live in, but a lot of people don't really realize how easy it is to invest in for your future. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start to invest every single day to show you guys how easy it actually is to invest. And I was thinking of starting with something not big like the other guy, like $5, but something a small amount anybody could do. Maybe you're saying, nah, I don't really got it, money is really tight right now. But how about we start with something we probably don't all have, but it's a small amount just to start and get by. So the amount I'm gonna start investing is with $1 for the next month and show you my results of how easy it is to invest. And honestly, there's a lot of times where it's not really the amount of money that we do have, but it's how we use it. There's a lot of people that really buy something that they don't really need, but they just want. And this is where the concept of wants and needs come into play, where you probably want something and you get it because of satisfaction. But the thing is that you don't realize is what you actually need. And when you realize you need something and you want something, the lust for both of them are two different things. But I'm gonna just invest $1 every day so you guys can see what the result is of investing. And the app I'm gonna use for this project is Robinhood. And if you don't have Robinhood, I'm gonna put a link down below, and so you guys could go straight to Robinhood and you guys could sign in. And if you guys are lucky enough, you could probably get a free stock that could be worth between anything from $10 to $100. So what you basically do is open the app Robinhood and you sign in. So what I'm thinking of investing is just usually ETFs, mutual funds, and all the other good stuff, because instead of buying only one share of a company, you could buy 500 shares in one share. So meaning you could invest in 500 companies in one share. So I was thinking of investing in the SP 500, ETFs, all the other good stuff. So what I'm gonna do afterwards is transfer even more money to my account, and I'm gonna set it to auto investment, where you can basically invest automatically every single day except Saturdays and Sundays, or when the stock market is closed. Even though the stock is down, for me, you guys know when the stock is down, it's better to buy. So let's get it started. 1, 2, 3, and we back. And now these are the results. Bam, bam. So this is my Roth. For the past month, I've been investing in VYM, Vanguard High Dividend. And the reason I'm investing in this is because I realize dividends is key into investing in the long term. So we started off at $63, and currently right now we're at $62. As you guys can see, we're in the red right now, but I'm gonna keep investing $1 every day, because 1 month of investing doesn't really show the big picture, because these investments are actually long-term rather than short-term. So what I'm gonna do is keep investing for the next 6 months. I'm gonna give you my results, because over the long run, as you guys can see, in 1 year, it's not seen the best results, but over 5 years, this actually has grown. But overall, I'm gonna keep investing. I'm gonna come back in 6 months and show you my results then. Deuces.